Meaning of disadvantaged.
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 Disadvantaged. The term disadvantaged refers to individuals or groups who face various obstacles and challenges that prevent them from enjoying the same opportunities and benefits as others in society. These may include poverty, discrimination, lack of access to education, healthcare, and employment, among other things. As a result, disadvantaged individuals and communities often experience lower social and economic mobility, reduced quality of life, and greater vulnerability to various forms of social and economic exclusion. Addressing these disparities and promoting equity is a crucial aspect of building a just and inclusive society.